I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with the Apple ID you want to sync, and you do this now so messages link correctly. Once signed in, make sure iOS or macOS is updated. Older builds block messages in iCloud. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and note your device passcode because iCloud keychain or two-factor prompts may appear. Why this matters? The account, system version, and network are prerequisites. Without them, message sync will fail even if you flip the switch later. Now you enable messages in iCloud directly on each device, and you do it in a specific order to avoid duplicate threads. On iPhone or iPad open settings, tap your name, select iCloud, then toggle messages on. On Mac open messages, go to Settings, iMessage, and check Enable Messages in iCloud. Make sure two-factor authentication is active and that you have enough iCloud storage. Otherwise, uploads will stall. Once done, devices begin uploading and merging message histories automatically. To complete setup, watch for the messages in iCloud status and let initial upload finish. This can take time depending on your library. If sync seems stuck, wait a minute, then toggle messages off and back on to force a refresh. Make sure you remain on Wi-Fi. If problems persist, sign out and sign back into the Apple ID, restart devices, and confirm iCloud storage space. One key troubleshooting tip: enable two-factor authentication and verify trusted devices. Many sync failures trace to authentication blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.